Hey y'all, what's up? If you are new here, welcome back to my channel. I go back to Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back, dolls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Before we get into this video, y'all, I want to tell y'all to go ahead and follow me on TikTok at fashion_doll3. Y'all, I'm gonna put a clip over here. So I'm drinking this Panette drink. I think it's pronounced Panette. This comes in 3 different flavors, y'all. Let me tag them y'all. Sponsor me, boo, because yes, I'm getting y'all some coins, okay? Everybody's going crazy over this drink. This drink tastes so freaking good. So I'm gonna be sipping on this throughout this little boxing video or whatever. So let's pour up a drink, y'all. Oh my god, so good. And look how cute it is. You can screw this at the bottom and have it sit up for decoration. Let's pour a glass, y'all. Pretty color. Oh yes, cheers. So let's get into this Versace unboxing. I had to sneak me a thumbnail in. Okay guys, so today's video is a Versace unboxing. Of course, y'all already saw that from the title. So what y'all think I got? Y'all probably already know. Y'all already know, okay? This is the box that come in. You got your cute little Versace ribbon. Oh. So see. Okay, we got our card right here. Okay y'all, so I'm about to show y'all what I got. Isn't she beautiful? Versace, 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 Versace. Woo! Yes, y'all. Yes. So I got my item from it's called Versace Forum Shops at Caesar Palace. The robe retail for $595. With tax, it was $644.83. Yes, honey. Then I have my sales associate card that helped me out. She was a sweetheart, y'all. Let's take her out the box. So pretty, y'all. So I got pink. This was actually on my wish list, y'all. I finally got her. It comes with a beautiful belt. The belt is reversible, so you got the Medusa on this side, and then you got the pink Versace on this side. So cute, y'all. I'll probably insert a video over here of me trying on the robe. I think in this video I have on a size large. The large was not that great as far as fitting. I'm a thick girl, so you know it didn't close well in the front, so I did size up to extra large, and the extra large worked pretty good. The sleeves are long, but it's cool, y'all. It's cool. I can work with it. So cute, y'all. Been eyeballing this for quite some time. It was between this one or the multicolored one. The only thing that scared me away from the multicolored one was that yellow. I just felt like that was more easier to get dirty, so I just decided to go with pink, and pink is one of my favorite colors, as well as blue, honey. So I needed a pink robe, so that's what I got. So this is one of my birthday gifts to myself. It is really cute, y'all. I'm gonna try it on for y'all, so I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so this is what it looks like. So freaking cute, so luxurious, like look. So I told y'all the sleeves are kind of long, but I like it like this because I am tall, so you know what I'm saying, make me feel comfortable. But yeah, I really like it. It's really cute, really cute. Love the color, love this. So pretty. It just look like money, you know what I'm saying. This is something you want to lay by the pool in with your bikini on, and you just want everybody to see that you got a little Versace robe, you know what I'm saying? So you put your little cute bikini on, walk down to the pool area with this on, like, baby. Go to the spa. No, ma'am, I don't want your white robe. I have my own. So, but yeah, it's really cute. I love it. I love it. So great. So cute. So cute. Now, I'm debating. She did say I can get my sleeves taken up some if I wanted to. So, I don't know if I am or not. Or I might just leave it like it is, like I said. Because I noticed, even on short people, that the sleeves are kind of long. They just made the sleeves long. So, it was definitely worth the buy. It is so freaking cute, y'all. Okay, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, y'all. Like I said, I'm very pleased with my purchase. The lady that helped me out over there was so nice. Very helpful. Had an awesome experience. My first time shopping at the Versace store. I'm more of a Louis girl, but you know, I'm trying to expand a little. So yeah, it was nice shopping over there. Yeah, like I said, I'm very pleased with my purchase. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, let me know what's on your wish list, because this was on my wish list and I made it happen. So I know y'all guys got some great ideas for Christmas. So drop y'all wish list item below, you know. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.